Hi everyone, welcome to the registration video of IRCC 25. We are currently on the home page of IRCC website. You can see there are two buttons for registration, one on the top and one on the home page. There are multiple places where you can go to the registration form. So when you click this register now button, it will take you to our login page where if you are already registered, you can put in your email ID and password to log in. But if you are a new user coming for the first time at this website, you need to click register and enter your first name and last name. And you need to enter your email ID. Note that you can make only one registration with an email ID. And if you are trying to create a new account with with the same email ID, it will say you have already an account. And from one account, you can only submit one abstract. So if you have multiple abstract to submit, create multiple account with different email IDs. You need to put your institution name and a phone number. And then provide your password. Re-enter. You need to remember the password. There is a set of guidelines that we have. You need to look at that and accept it. There are all the details there. It's also available in our guidelines page. And then once you click register, an email will be sent to your registered email ID. So you have now successfully submitted a registration. So you have to look at your email for the verification link. Here I am checking our email. So you will be getting an email from IRCC. It's from no reply at IRCC World, and any response will go to ignite at ircc.world. And you click this link to verify your email ID. It will take you back to our IRCC login page. And now you are a verified user. You can enter your email ID and the password that you created. And log in. So now you have your account. You are logged into the page. Go to your My Account here to the dashboard. This is where you will see all your details, your registration number, mobile number, institute name, your name, and email ID. Note that you are already added as a participant. We have a participant registration fee of 500 rupees. So you can go ahead and make a payment. We suggest that a account will be created by a teacher or a guardian and add every student as a participant. So you can add participants here. There is no other participant, only you. So you add a new participant, put the first name of the student and last name. Select whether it's a student or a guest. If it's a student, you have to choose the class, whether in which grade. Note that we have grades from 1st to 12. And if you are not in this traditional schooling system, or if you are in a special school, please choose others. Depending on the grade that you choose, it will be selected for your abstract submission as well. Later on, we'll see that. So now you click save. Your first participant is added. You can see there is two participants, including the registered user. So you have to pay a payment of 1,000. You can add as many participants or guests you want. So I'm going to add like another student here. Of class, let's say 10th. And I'm also going to add a guest. A guest is probably a parent or another teacher. So in that case, you have to choose guest here, and you don't have to choose any class. So now I have 4 people registering for this IRCC from this particular account. I have to make a payment of 2000. So make payment. It will give you different options for payment. We have an option to do it through bank account or by scanning our QR code. So you can choose your own payment option. Select that. Once you do the payment through this, you need to enter the payment reference that you get. So if I do the payment here, I will get a reference number. Let me wait for that. Okay, I'm going to enter my number, but I'm going to mask it. So you are only going to see stars. So I entered my payment reference and also the date. So the date when you make the payment, and then you have to submit it. You need to enter the accurate payment reference so that like we can track. It will be the transaction ID. So now my payment has recorded with the reference ID. You will see the actual reference ID here. And now I can go and add my abstract. In case your payment ID is not able to verify, or if we have any confusion, we will get back to you in the 24 hours time frame. Now you go to the abstract. You have to choose your category. So there are all the different categories. And middle school category, you have to choose your topic. You can choose your student list. And then if there are any additional orders, you can add that. You, the registering person will be the corresponding order. And if you have like another teacher that supported your work, you can add the teacher name or any other student who is not registering for IRCC and be part of this work. Your corresponding order, name, detail will be there. You have to put your abstract here. I'm going to give like a random name, IRCC abstract. You have to give a maximum 250 word content. So I'm going to just copy our about page. So you can create the content anywhere. You can create it in a Word document or anywhere and then copy it here. It can be maximum of 250 words. Here it is only 45 words. You will see how many words are there. Now you need to put reference. You need to put references in order. So at least one reference is mandatory. So I'm going to enter reference 1. Please follow a standard format for reference. And then if you have a second reference, you have to add with the button here, add your second reference and then submit. If you have a third reference, you can click add and add it. But if you don't have anything, you can delete that. So how many references you have, add plus and add every reference and submit the abstract. So here I have made a error. So there is a mandatory field that is empty. So please check which one is that. Yes. So the corresponding email ID had a problem. Okay, so I have given all the details and submitted, and the abstract is now submitted successfully. you can see the abstract here. You will have an option to edit it till the time of the deadline. So our abstract submission deadline is April 15th. Till that time, you can keep editing the abstract, but please make sure to follow all these points. And this is how you are going to register for IRCC. If you have any questions, please write us an email. You can find our contact information in our contact page. Hope you will have a good time and a easy registration for IRCC, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in Mumbai. Thank you.